This Fairfax Realty Select property video is presented by Adam Ferguson. Drop-dead gorgeous 3-bed/2-bath condo in the luxurious villas of Belmont Bay. Walk into a beautiful open floor plan full of natural sunlight and scenic views. Villa is completely updated west. Gourmet kitchen, granite countertops, new flooring, upgraded bathrooms, and one-car garage. Set against the Occoquan River west. Numerous walking trails, ponds, a full-service marina, a community pool, and countless dining plus shopping options. This luxurious condo is a nature's lover delight tucked away in Occoquan but still only minutes to all commuter routes and Woodbridge VRE. For more information, review the details below.